Hey guys, what is up? It is Cameron back once again bringing you guys a brand new video. Today we're actually going to be unboxing and giving you my first impressions on the newly released Jaybird X4 Wireless Earphones. Now I literally use their X2 earphones every day at the gym, so I have very high hopes for these earphones. I'm excited to get into these, kind of show you every detail of the product. I will have a full review coming out soon, so if you're catching this, you know, a couple weeks after I post it, there may already be a review up. So make sure to check my channel to see if I already have the full review out. I want to use them at the gym for a couple weeks before I give you guys my final verdict on these. But like I said, I'm a huge fan of Jaybird products in the past, so I really have high expectations for these. You can check the description down below to see if I posted the review down there, and also links to the Jaybird website down there, as well as this product listing, so you can check these out further if you're interested in buying them. But let me go ahead and unbox these, give you guys my first impressions just based on me seeing the earphones for the first time, and we'll kind of go from there. Alright, so as you can see right here, we have the box. Pretty typical Jaybird packaging. I love what they have going on there, but really all that matters is what's actually in the box. So let's go ahead and get this thing open. I'll show you what these earphones look like, kind of what comes in the box, and we'll go from there. So as you can see, the earphones are on display. I will say the first thing I notice is the wingtips are different than the X2s and the X3s. I don't actually own the X3, so I'm kind of going off what I know about the X2s. The wingtips are definitely different. They feel a little bit more lightweight, so that's one thing that I noticed right off the bat. Let's go ahead and open up the accessories and stuff and see what you get in here. So we are going to get kind of a little accessory kit. Inside this, we're going to get multiple sizes for the wingtips, and then we're also going to get rubberized and foam, kind of memory foam ear tips. And it looks like they give you 3 options for the wingtips, and then 3 options for the actual ear tips that go into your ears. When you pull the actual headphones out of the box, you can see that they look like typical Jaybird earphones. I love this part right here because you can cinch it up, meaning that it's not going to flop around behind your head. You can cinch it up as tight as you want around your head, so it really is custom fit for whoever owns them. You can see that we do have the controls right here, so power on, volume up, volume down, skip songs. Everything is right there on that control. I love this external control. I use this quite a bit so I don't have to pull my phone out of my pocket. And then the actual ear tips themselves really look the same as the X2s and X3s. Jaybird branding on there. Pretty similar design. Just about the same size really as the X2s. So they haven't got very much smaller or bigger, which is a good thing. I think they're honestly the perfect size. They feel super lightweight. I will say that. They feel a little bit lighter than my X2s. So huge fan of that already, just because when you're at the gym, you don't want these to weigh down. You're going to be wearing them for quite a bit of time, so you definitely don't want them to start hurting your ears or anything like that. Then it looks like underneath you're going to get a couple more things. Signature Jaybird kind of carrying case. In here you're going to get the charger, which looks like it actually connects to this. So it's a little bit different than in my X2s where the charger is in the earphone. This one you charge right there on the actual control pad that's attached to the headset by a USB. So kind of short. You'll probably need a extension cord for that if I had to guess. But I do like that charging method a little bit better than plugging in the earphones, because I always felt like I might break that off. So I'm glad that they do it this way. But the carrying case right here, very nice. Jaybird branding right there. Great material. It feels durable. And I love this kind of just pop open design. You throw it in there and then cinch it back up. You don't have to worry about any ties or anything like that. I really like these carrying cases. They do a great job of keeping everything in and just being super portable and small. And then finally, you'll get the quick start guide, which really just tells you how to set the earphones up and probably how to get the app and everything working on your phone. But really it's self-explanatory, so I don't even know if you'll need to look at this. Alright, so I just wanted to give you a little bit of a closer look at the earphones. This is exactly what they look like. Really color-wise, the only thing that changes is this right here. So I think they have blue, green, and yellow as options on the website where you can pick them up. But for the most part they stay the same, which I think black is the only option right now. But one thing that I noticed, like I said, was they're super lightweight, which I really like. They're definitely lighter than my X2s, and now that I think about it, the actual earphone right here is a little bit smaller and a little bit more lightweight. I guess that's just because the charging port isn't there anymore. But I feel like these definitely are not going to weigh down as much on your ears as previous models, which I really like. I'm also a huge fan of this little cinch right here. I know previously you kind of had to install your own, but this one's built in. So you can move it up or move it down based on the size of your head, which I really like. That's one thing that I love about these is, you know, they're not going to be flopping around behind your head while you're running. That wire, you know, you can have it as tight as you want. So these look great so far. Like I said, I'll be having a full review coming soon. I definitely am going to put these to use in the gym to give you guys a really in-depth review of kind of what I think about them after using them, running and working out. So be sure to stay tuned to the channel for that, where I'll definitely go more in depth and kind of tell you guys my opinions on them. But really this was just supposed to be an unboxing and my first impressions on them. So far I think they look great. I've got high hopes for them, so we'll see after using them, you know, how they stack up against older models. But anyways guys, that's really all I have for you today in this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like rating, subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section down below if there's any videos specifically that you want to see about these earphones or comparisons. Let me know down there, and also check the description down below to find the product listing and more information about these. But thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.